Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this particular problem on this board. So now before the commencement of the solving, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. So let's look at this. So the question says we should simplify square root of 25 to the power 8 plus 5 to the power 18, 25 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 10. So what are we going to do? So now the first thing we need to do here is that we try to let's express this as a base of 5. So if we want to express this 25, so we are going to be having this 25 is going to be 5 to the power 2, then multiply by what? Multiply by 8 here. So we are going to be having this plus 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 18, then divided by. So the same thing we did here, so we try it here by writing this as base of 5. So we have what? We have 5 to the power 2, then multiply by what? Multiply by 4 here. We have 4 plus 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 10. So now from there, what's the next thing we are going to have? So we are going to see that this is going to be 5, 2 times 8 here is what? Is 16. So we have 5 to the power 16, then plus, here we have 5 to the power 18. Okay, then divided by, here we are going to have 2 times 4 is what? Is 8. So 5 to the power 8 here. Then plus 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 10. So now, so the next thing we are going to do here, you can see that we have 5 to the power 16, 5 to the power 18 here. So we try to take out the common factor. You can see that 5 to the power 18 can actually be found inside of 5 to the power 18 here, so I can have it this way: 5 to the power 16 as a common factor. I bring it out, so I have what? I have 1 here, then plus 5 to the power 2. So this one will remain 2 here, because if you try to open these brackets, so it's going to give you what we have, right? 5 into 16, we have 5 to the power 16. 5 to the power 16 plus 5 to the power 2. From the law of indices, you can see that we have 16 plus 2, and this is going to be 5 to the power what? 18, and that is what we have there. So now the same thing you do to the denominator. We have 5 to the power 8 can actually found here, 5 to the power 10. So we have 5 to the power 8. Open bracket, we have 1 plus, here we are going to have 5 to the power 2. Can you see? So now you can see that there's something that is common in the both word, in the both numerator and the denominator. 1 plus 5 to the power 2, 1 plus 5 to the power 2. So we can cancel out this. So to have our equation, now to have our expression to be 5 to the power 16 divided by 5 to the power 8. Are we there? So now next thing we need to do here, from the law of indices, you can see that we are having the same basis. And this is division, therefore the power are said to be subtracted. So we are going to be having 5 to the power what? 16 minus what? Minus 8. Are we there? So we are going to be having the square root of 16 minus 8 is what? Is 8. We have 5 to the power 8. So now from there, so we need to do something in such a way that we don't want to see this radical sign, that is the square root again. So what we need to do, we can try to write 5 to the power 8 in this form: 5 to the power 4, then I put the square here, so that when you multiply this from the power law, from the law of indices, when you multiply 4 by 2, so you are going to have 8, and this is the 8 here. Then don't forget our square root. So from here, this square can actually cancel this square. So we have a square root. We have 5 to the power 4, and 5 to the power 4 is same thing as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So if you press your calculator, we are going to have this to be 625, and 625 is the solution to this problem. If you like this class, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Don't hesitate to share this to your learning colleagues. Thank you for watching. Bye.